Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So, hello guys. For today's video, I have discussed what is the comparative analysis. So, let's proceed for the comparative analysis. So, in accounting, for example, changes in a financial statements, items over a several accounting periods may be proceed together to detect emerging trends in the company, so operation and results. So, the emergence of a network very essential network that converge faster are considered to be reliable users of the network appreciate it when we are always able to access a resources. So um, the research was carried out to compare the convergence of the two routing protocols, namely RIP and EIGRP. So the network scenario were created and a simulation was performed using packet tracer to separate packet tracer measured the convergence times of both protocols are separately. So the result in the indicated that EGIP RP had the fastest convergence time in both protocol convergence were not affected by the topology that will help the network administrator in their choice. So in the Cisco CCNA, so the network fundamentals compare and contrast OSI and TCP or IP models. Compare and contrast TCP and UDP protocols. The firewall um, access points. They compare and contrast the topology. So, and the IPv4 and addressing and subnetting, the VLSM summarization, the IPv4 address um, unicast, uh, address type unicast, broadcast, and the multicast, the IPv6 addressing class ABCDE. So the private IPv4 addressing class ABCDE. The IPv6 is addressing stateless is the stateless address is an auto configuration. The compare and the contrast IPv6 address type. The link local, the multicast, or the auto configuration and the unicast. The LAN switching technologies. So switching concept and basically configure. And the MAC address table, the collisions, the main, the duplex, speed interface, and VLANs, native VLANs, um, the protocols, where's the features, and the layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, so far. So, okay. The OSI, the routing technologies, the packet tracer, the routing concepts, the IPv4 and IPv6 static routing and floating static, and So have a comparative analysis. We have a TCP and OSI comparative analysis. So let's discuss what is the comparative with the two. So the comparative analysis of the TCP and OSI. So the comparison of the TCP of IP reference model is both have layer architecture. Layers provide similar functionalities. Both are protocol stack and both are reference model. So difference between OSI and the TCP IP. So reference model. So the difference of the two is the OSI model distinguishes the three concepts, namely services, interfaces, and the protocols. So the TCP IP does not have a clear distinction between these three. OSI model gives guidelines on how communication need to be done with TCP IP protocols layout standard on which the internet was developed. So TCP or IP is a more practical model. Number 4 is in OSI the model was developed first and then the first protocol each layer were developed in the TCP IP suite. The TCP were developed first and then the model was developed. The OSI was 7 layers while the TCP or IP has 4 layers. So similarities between OSI and the TCP IP reference model. The layer in the model are compared with each other, the physical layer and the data link layer. And the OSI model corresponds to the link layer of the TCP or IP model. The network layer and the transport layer are the same in both the models. The session layer, the presentation layer, and the application layer of the OSI model together from the application layer of the TCP IP model. In both the model, protocols are defined in a layer-wise manner. In both models, the data is divided into packet and each packet may take the individual route from the source to the destination. So that is the comparative analysis of the TCP and the IP. So let's try the analysis of the console port and the UDP. So UDP console. So UDP console is so UDP console. So UDP or user datagram protocol. So UDP is one of the main protocols in the internet protocol. So can assume that the internet protocol's IP is the underlying protocol. UDP allows the computer application to send messages to other programs with a minimum of the protocol mechanism. So that's all for the comparative analysis. I hope you learned for the comparative. So I hope you learned something from my blog. Again, my name is Brian Giassi. So subscribe my channel to learn your knowledge and improve your skills. So that's all and goodbye. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.